Me giving my chicken some corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Nom, 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 nom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. More corn. Now be happy. I'm grateful. And you get off the can. Here. And now I finally, out of all these years, well, out of their 1 year of life, they finally get to slay. Yeah, you guys didn't slay before. Sorry, Womba. And some corn for the birds who like to come and eat all my chicken's food. And the 1 piece of corn for the fly who likes to poop on my food. There you go. Now you better not come back and eat all my food again.